how to turn off videos from people you may know notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off videos from TikTok from people you may know notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it and then click this three lines in top corner and click settings and privacy, and then just scroll down. Here you will find push notifications. Click on it and scroll down again. Here you will find it videos from people you may know. Just turn it off by one click, and now go back. It will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.